I'm back here with another Kaspa video. Geez, I gotta apologize here. No ABC came in there. This thing just kept ripping up here. So I guess that's good news in a way. But you can see we're right at that 702 level. Okay, right at that pivotal level. I always talk about that 702. And I believe we are absolutely going to bust right through here. All right, we're going to go through the RSIs here in a second and look at this thing. But that's 702 and that's 786. That you get through there, and obviously this thing is going to tear towards higher prices. All right, you can see a little bit of volume coming in down here. No big spikes like we want to see here. Okay, so let's take a real quick look around here at what else is going on. First off, let me show you the bubbles here real quick. All right, here's for the day. It's the top 100. There's Kaspa down there, 4.8. 1 inch. Boy, about time that thing starts going. Up 22%. Maker up 12.5%. Yeah, just kind of a... Oh, there we go. Jeez, I apologize. There's Kaspa up 12.8%. Now what happened was I moved my laptop out to my garage. I like to do it out there in my my area I have set up, and this thing just updated, so I apologize there. It's even better. I was wondering why Kaspa was only up 4% on there, but there it is, 12.8. Luna Classic, 8.8, XRP. Good to see that. I'm so happy. The other day when I did that video, I didn't realize that they won the court case. It was like I did the video right an hour after or so the court case came to a conclusion. So great news. That was absolutely fantastic. That was good for the whole market, obviously. So XRP is not a security. That's great. And it looks like the rest of them, Cardano and everything, that's going to have an effect on the rest of the market. So great news for us out there as far as that goes. All right, so let's move around here. I want to show you guys real quick Bitcoin dominance as usual here. That thing, it looks like it kind of flatlined here. It extended that ABC that we had planned out here. This is on the daily. We're going to take that off there now, but you can see it looks like it found support. We're going to put a trend line right there. Looks like it found support right there. Okay, we're at that 49.76 area. It's been kind of going sideways in there. Bitcoin itself, it's up $87 for the 88 bucks for the day. Still riding this trend line up here. All right. One thing we're going to do, I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Let's get rid of these things. The only ones that really matter is down here, this support, and up here, this resistance. So we had that spike right there above that 31,550 when XRP, the court thing settled there, but had that big spike in volume there too. But we want to see Bitcoin without some news, okay, get above that 31,550. Look at the daily is almost reset on this thing. The RSI got the 12 hour is reset for Bitcoin. The 8 hour is reset, and the 4 hours reset. So might have some price action on this thing today. It's starting a little move up here, so we'll see what happens. Move down through the DXY. Let's put that on the daily. You can see that daily is about reset with this thing. Now what happens a lot of times, and you guys out there that trade, you know this, a lot of times now this thing will come back up. Okay, it's either going to get hit here and roll over, or it's going to come back up to this trend line right here and roll over. All right, so this daily, as it runs up, as long as it doesn't bust back through there, which I don't believe it's gonna, we got that weekly coming down still, so that's pretty important there. But I believe that DXY, you know, it's gonna stay down where we need it for this crypto market to go. Kaspa there, the total 1 and total 2. Here we go. The total crypto market cap is up 5.05 billion today. All right, you can see. Whoops, let me get rid of that. Jeez, I hate that thing. You can see here it flipped this area here now as support. So Move that up just a hair right there. Okay, so it has busted through this area up here, but we got that bigger area right up here at that 1.287. Zoom out and show you that real quick. That was the major support area through the bull run here. Okay, you can see it was support right there. Ended up falling through and being resistance here, resistance. So that's a major area we got to get up through here. Okay, the weekly it's the RSI is looking great. Got the daily. Daily's actually coming down. All right, I expect that to flip back up here. Okay, you can see down here on the regular RSI that thing is flipping back up. Got the 12-hour turning up. Got the 8-hour also on the floor, so that's looking good, and the 4 hours on the floor. So we could definitely have a major move out of crypto here today. Be nice to see. Here's the total market cap without Bitcoin. Okay, you also got the 4 hour on the floor here. It's up $3.28 billion today. We got the 8-hour turning up. We got the 12-hour also turning up right here. So that's good to see. Everything's lining up here for a move. We got that daily actually flipping up down here in the RSI. It actually rolled over here on the stochastic, but we'll see what happens here. This thing, it's still pretty far away from that 704 billion that we need to break through, but still hasn't even reached the extension of this wedge breakout yet. So could be a move in crypto. That'd be great. And if I could ask you guys, please hit the like and subscribe. There's also a link for MEXC in the description of the video. I also put a link for a free VPN in there. All you need to sign up for it is your email and a password. No credit cards. Okay, so then once you get the MEXC, all you got to do to sign up is your email and a password, same exact thing, and you don't got to go through any of that other stuff. So that really helps me out here, you know, obviously more than my YouTube views. So but if you trade, I would appreciate it very much. You know, go over there and sign up and check it out. Here's what it looks like. If you use KuCoin a lot, you'll be familiar with this. Looks pretty much exactly like it. This is MEXC. I just opened up, you know, a plain page. Here we go. It's loading up Kaspa, but same thing. You have your open long, you have your take profit, your stop loss right there. Same exact thing, you know. So you don't got to worry. It's going to be a different site. Actually, there's a lot of people moving over here because I think it was yesterday that the KuCoin. Now you have to KYC on there. You can no longer make any deposits on there or anything. So MEXC, everybody's heading there. Pretty good site. Been using it over a month now, and I love it. So this thing's awesome. Anyway, let's get back to these charts. All right, Kaspa. That's what we want to get on here. Geez, I apologize here. This thing, Wi-Fi. There we go. All right. We are on this daily. We've hit that 702 right on the head here. The thing's going to load up here, and I'm going to show you that. I believe that we are, this thing is actually just starting here. Okay, it's up 11.3%. All right, I want my other chart. There we go. And this one's up 11.15. This one's on CoinX. It's amazing. I have 3 different charts from 3 different places, and just a little bit of price difference, you know, makes a difference out there, right? But anyway, this thing has gone up 11.12%. We're at 0.0313. Okay. Now what I thought was going on in here was an ABC correction right here. That didn't end up playing out. Okay, I took my fib on this thing. Yeah, it ended up heading up higher there. Once I did say if it broke that one certain price area, the thing was going higher. That's exactly what happened. All right, this cup and handle pattern in here, we broke the neck of that cup. So this thing is going. All right, now what I found pretty neat this morning Alright, if I take that trend-based fib that I always use, put it on here, get my target up here, okay, with this thing. I'm going to put a line up there, just for reference here. There we go. That's the top of the trend-based fib here. Let's take that off there. Now if we take this cup and handle, and we take a measurement, take the input line, we take it right from the top of the cup, we get it on here, to the bottom here. Bring it over. Whoops, sorry about that. Let's put that back and lock that thing up. There we go. Bring it up here. It's the breakout, right of the breakout of the cup. Okay. Right on there. There we go. Look how these two line up perfect. Isn't that something? So looking at a potential breakout up here to the 0.0424 area. 0.042 right up in this area here. Okay, we got two things lining up for that. We got the trend based fib extension, and we also have the measurement of the cup and handle here. So we should be in for a nice move here. Expecting it to break this 702 area. This 3 wave should be our biggest wave here. Okay, so if we take a this would be our 1, 2, or 3 wave. I'm expecting probably, who knows, might come up to here. Our 4th wave will be a pretty decent pullback there. Okay, then our 5th wave extension up. So that's what I'm looking at. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, so please just be smart and do your own research and stuff like that. Don't listen to anybody on YouTube or anybody like that. Okay, just it's money, it's real stuff, so you work hard for it, and don't go losing it off anything anybody says. Okay, this is what I see personally happening here. Okay, who knows, I could be wrong. This thing might roll over and just head to nothing. You never know. Okay, so just do your own research and look into stuff like that. Okay, now if we go over here, I was checking this out earlier, the Kaspa website. If we go down through here, the Dagnite consensus that was completed, the upgrade consensus to follow the Dagnite protocol, that's in development. The Rust language testing, mobile wallet testing, further increased blocks per second is in development. The integrate for ledgers testing. We go down through here, node improvements, it's in development. Right here, that's the big one, smart contracts implementation. Boy, oh boy, when that gets completed and we get smart contracts, this thing is going to absolutely, in my personal opinion, explode. Okay, smart contracts is huge. Once that is live, it's going to be pretty massive. All right, if we click on that, the aim of Kaspa is to become the fastest, most scalable and secure layer 1 proof of work crypto. And while we feel we have already reached this benchmark, there still exists some fine-tuning for peak performance. However, performance for the sake of performance is not the end of the goal of Kaspa. The broader goal is to create the ultimate layer 1 to implement smart contracts, DeFi, and layer 2 apps over it. It's our hope that a future ecosystem will rise on Kaspa that will be as strong as the foundation and wonderful community that helped birth it. How cool is that? It's just really good. They make you feel good about obviously the community and everything else, but just love this. I'm going to get some Kaspa t-shirts. I'd love to get that and do some giveaways. I'm going to look into that. Last video I did, maybe I can find them on eBay or something like that, but just the logo's even cool. It really is. I think it's pretty neat. Even some hats would be pretty neat, so I'll check into that. Alright guys, thank you so very, very much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and keep an eye on them charts. Looks like could be a pretty interesting next day or two here for the crypto market. So thanks a lot guys. Have a great night. I'll talk to you soon.